Prawn saganaki sagapo. Prawn saganaki straight out of the grill. Lots of feta cheese, prawns in a rich tomato sauce. I'm going to enjoy this with an uzaki, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it. So to begin our prawn saganaki dish, we start off with the basics to any good Greek dish, and that's onion and garlic sauteed in olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Starting off with our onion, chopping it nice and fine. Okay, there we go. Can't forget the Greek olive oil. Start that off. Now, I always measure my Greek olive oil with my heart. Get that nice and hot. While that's happening, lots of garlic. I love a lot of garlic in my cooking, so I don't hold back. The oil's hot, going straight in with our onion and garlic. In like so. Beautiful. Saute this for a few moments. We just want it to sweat off a little bit, and it can flavour our tomato sauce. Oh, it smells so good. You can't go wrong. Onion, olive oil and garlic, it's the best smell. Now I've got some white wine here. I like to add white wine to my saganaki sauce. You can add ouzo, that is a traditional way of making saganaki. Personally, I like to enjoy my ouzo on the side. So I'm going to go in with some white wine, straight in, just let that simmer away, let the alcohol cook off, and we'll add our tomato. The white wine has cooked off just a little bit. It's reduced. Now I'm going in with 400 grams of tomato passata, like so. Mix that through. A little bit of origami, straight in, not too much. Some water, just so our sauce can cook for a little bit before we add our prawns. Some salt and some pepper. Now it's a really simple sauce. That's all we're going to do. We're going to let it to simmer for a little bit, and then we'll add prawns in. I like to keep my sauces when working with seafood or when cooking with seafood really simple. Seafood is so flavoursome and delicious. You don't need much ingredients. You want to let the flavours speak for themselves. Our sauce is ready. It's been simmering for about 20 minutes. I added a little extra water just to allow it to simmer a little bit longer. And I've got my prawns here. Best to get the biggest prawns that you can find. You can also use whole prawns if you don't mind peeling off the skin. I enjoy doing that myself. But today we're making it easy for those we're feeding. But today we're going with convenience, and we're using prawns with just the tail on. Last prawns going in, and we're just going to mix it through. Now the heat is off. Our prawns aren't cooking at the moment. They're going to cook under the grill. But before I add them into the grill, we're going to add a very generous sprinkling of feta cheese, Greek feta cheese, all over. You can't have prawn saganaki without delicious feta, because feta makes everything better. Just a little drizzle of olive oil on top, and we're going to place it right into the oven. I've got my grill on high. You only need about 5 minutes, maybe a little more, just until the prawns cook through. Straight under the grill for about, I'd say 10 minutes. You do have to check your prawns are cooking through, but it doesn't take long at all. Can't wait. Our prawn saganaki is ready. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes or so. The feta cheese I can see has melted into the sauce. There's still some nice chunks in there as well. Before we dig in, we're going to garnish it with a little fresh parsley. Just roughly chop, nothing special. Like so. And we'll give it a nice little bit of colour as well. Opa, look at that. Amazing. Now there's only one way that you can enjoy prawn saganaki with a salsa like that, and that's with fresh bread. So I'm going to cut into this gorgeous loaf that I've got here. I can't wait to dig in. Now with prawn saganaki, you don't have to have it with just bread. You could boil some pasta and stir it through, serve it on top of some plain rice. Either way, however you enjoy it, you'll love it. For me, I'm going straight in. I'm going to dip my bread into that beautiful sauce. Here we go. That white wine in the sauce is really something special. Pour yourself an uzaki and make this tonight.